Hi, I'm Angela with Freestyle Fashionista, and today I'm going to show you how to cut a t-shirt into a muscle shirt. The first thing you want to do, if you want the quintessential 80s muscle shirt, you want to start with a fitted shirt that has a high crew neck, which this is. Okay, the next thing you want to do is take your fabric scissors and you're going to cut the sleeves off. You want to cut right outside the seam. If you cut inside the seam, when you wash it the first time, it's going to start to roll up. If you want that look, great. If you don't, make sure you cut right outside the seam. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. The hems basically hold the structure of the shirt. So if you want a destructed muscle shirt, then cut inside the seam. Okay, and then we're just going to cut off the other one. And that is our muscle shirt. Let me throw it on and show you guys how it looks. My handy dandy model over here, she's awesome. She never talks back. And that is how you cut a t-shirt into a muscle shirt. It looks great with jeans. It looks great for going to the gym. It looks great for flexing. Anything you want to do. I'm Angela. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.